Compression has long fascinated computer scientists, and AI researchers are no exception. In this new paper, which is titled Language Model is Compression, all of these researchers they are investigating the link between information theory's concept of compression and how LLMs are trained to predict the next token. These authors mention in their research that these large language models are inherently trained for maximum compression and compare their performance with general purpose compressors like gzip. If you look at their paper, which you can download by clicking on this right hand side, and I will drop the link to this abstract in video's description. In this paper, they have compared lot of images and lot of compression techniques, and the objective is to shift the focus from perceiving large language models as generative models to recognizing their capability as predictive models and compressors for various data types. If you look at the currently available general purpose compressors like gzip, png, flag, they are used as baselines for this research. And then in this research paper, if you scroll down to and read through it, you will see that they have tested LLMs like Chinchilla, which you can see on your screen right now, and also they have done some testing on vanilla transformers. They have used data sets which include NVIC9, which is for text, ImageNet for images, and then LibriSpeech for audio. This paper also checks that if these compressors can act as generative models for different data types. The results are quite interesting. For instance, when they use different tokenization strategies on the data sets, and they also change the model sizes and tested all of these different combinations, the impacts were also different, and the compression shrank and grew as per the model. But when they were testing the sequence length compared to general purpose compressors, the LLMs showed that the compression rate was not as good. So this is still, I would say, a research in progress. And the thing is that it looks promising. So that is why I thought of sharing it with you. And as I mentioned, you can see that they are mentioning different samples, different tests which they have run, and you can read through them through this paper. And then they also have given this um, different benchmarks on different data sets, which I just mentioned, LibriSpeech for audio, ImageNet, and all that stuff. And you can compare the you can compare the compression rate here. So this is it. I hope that you found it interesting. If you already are using it, let me know. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.